We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
So, myself is Jamil Chandrani from BVP Engineering College, Electronics and Communication Department. Today we have discussed the fundamental concept of signal and fundamental concept of signal operation. Today we have discussed that particular point. So, what is the first of all content that can be delivered in this particular lecture? So, I have discussed in whiteboard topic definition of signal, and operation that can be performed in the signal. Operation that can be performed in the signal. So basically we have discussed here today in this particular lecture, we have discussed the shifting operation and mirror operation that we have discussed in this particular lecture. So first of all, what is the meaning of signal? Signal means it is defined as it contains some specific information and example of signal is signal, image signal, it can be considered as a signal. Now, which operation that can be performed in the signal? Operation that can be performed in the signal now see this is the scaling operation, this is the shifting operation, and this is the folding operation. See, this is the 3 basic operations that can be performed on the signal. And one of the classification, I have not discussed all the classification in this lecture, but one of the classification which is known as continuous time signal, and discrete time signal. Continuous time signal and discrete time signal. This is the classification of signal. Continuous time signal that can be denoted by x of t, and discrete time signal that can be denoted by x of n. So it is the basic difference between classification of signal. Now we have concentrate on the different types of classification: folding operation, shifting operation, scaling operation. So first of all, start with shifting operation. What is the meaning of shifting operation? Shifting is the basic operation. See, this is the entire fundamental concept regarding the signal. And classification operation. Classification of operation. Operation means what? One type of process that can be done on the signal. So here shifting operation that can be categorized into two ways. Shifting operation that can be categorized into two different ways. Shifting operation that can be categorized into two ways. First operation is delay. Second operation is advance. So in delay operation, shift the signal with some specific unit, shift the signal in some specific unit. Also in advanced process, shift the signal in some specific unit. But what is the major role, or we can say what is the major parameter that can be performed on the signal? What is the basic parameter that can be performed on the signal? So first of all, I have explained the delay operation. Delay operation means what? In real-time communication system, if at any particular railway station, say Saurashtra Mail train arriving at the railway station 5:30 p.m. at the evening, but if this train will arrive at the 5:45 instead of 5:30, then it is known as some type of delay. So it is the basic non-technical example of delay. What is the another example of delay operation? So consider communication system. If speech signal can be transferred from transmitter to receiver, at that time it can take some type of delay. At that time it can take some type of delay, basic delay. So it is known as delay operation. To shift the signal from original position to right side. To shift the signal from original position to right side. Why right side? Why right side? Not left side. See this, I have explained this figure. Suppose this train that can be arrived at the Rajkot station, it is 9:15. Now suppose this train will arrive at the 9:30, so it considers a 9:30 as a starting time. So means what? Signal can be shift with respect to right side. Signal is shift with respect to right side. So it is considered as a one type of delay operation. So what is the only one statement you have to write in the delay operation? Remember that point. This is the purely um, mathematical type subject. So directly examples that can be asked based on that. So first of all, I have mentioned delay operation means shift the entire signal, x of t or x of n. X of n it is known as discrete time signal. X of t it is known as continuous time signal. Entire signal x of t or x of n into right side with respect to original signal. Now I have explained this with example. Now see, this is known as t. This is known as x of t. Now see, this is x of t. Now we would like to find x of t minus 2. Now we would like to find x of t minus 2. First operation that can be performed on the signal. Sorry, x of t minus 1. Try to take for simplicity x of t minus 1. So shift the entire signal. See this x of t minus 1. So shift entire signal with 1 unit right side. Delay indicate, this negative sign indicate shift the entire signal into right side with 1 unit delay. So here we can sketch with respect to time. See this. This is 2, this is 0. So it is indicated by x of t minus 1. See, this is the basic operation that can be performed on the signal. So it is known as delay signal. It is considered as a delay signal. So please try to concentrate this particular thing. Please try to concentrate this particular concept very clearly. So delay means shift the entire signal into right side signal with respect to original signal. So it is known as x of t minus 1. Now we would like to find second parameter, which is known as x of t minus 2. Means what? Shift the entire signal with respect to 2 unit in right side. Shift the entire signal. So start with 1, 1 to 3, and here 1. So it is known as x of t minus 2. So basically this is known as operation that can be performed on the signal. Now if signal is changed, see this. Now see if now see now see this is the signal. Here we can write 2. Here we can write 2. So this is the signal. Now we can perform the x of t minus 1. X of t minus 1 means what? Start at 0. See this. This graph can be like that particular way. See this. This line is not possible. Again sketch. See this. Here, from here it can be like that, and from here to here. So it is known as x of t minus 1. X of t minus 1. So that particular way we can sketch, just you have to remember, shift the entire signal into right side. So it is known as delay operation. And what is the application of delay operation? Application of delay operation. First, railway train time. Railway train time. Any type of communication system always follow delay operation. Always follow the delay operation. So it is the application of delay operation. It is the application of delay operation. Shift the signal into right side of the part. So it is the entire explanation related to delay. Now we have to switch over to another operation which is known as advanced operation. Which is known as advanced operation. Advanced means what? Here we can shift the entire signal into right side. So in advanced signal, it shift the entire signal into left side. So signal advance operation. Signal advance operation shift the entire signal into left side. It is T plus T. It is denoted by x of T plus T. T plus T means what? It shifts the left side. So please try to understand this topic very carefully. There is the difference between delay operation and advance operation. And what is the application or example of advance operation? Temperature prediction system. Temperature prediction system. Weather report. Temperature prediction system weather report are that can be included as a advanced operation. That can be included as an advanced operation of the signal. Means what? Shift the signal into left side. Shift the entire signal into the left side. So one type of prediction, for any type of prediction system, at that time advanced operation that can be used. Ideally it is not possible. Ideally it is not possible. But any type of future information that we have to require, or that we want to require, at that time advanced operation that can be successfully used. So shift the signal. Now I have explained with example. See this. This is known as x of t. This is known as x of t, and we want to find x of t plus 1. X of t plus 1. So here minus 1, here plus 1, here minus 1, here plus 1. So x of t plus 1. X of t plus 1 means what? Shift the signal. See, here minus 2, here 0. So here it is known as x of t plus 1. Shift the entire signal into the left side. Shift the entire signal into the left side. See this very carefully with 1 unit. Now, if you want to move with respect to 2 units, then you can do the same procedure. But now, start with minus 1, minus 3. Start with minus 3. Minus 3 to minus 1. So it is the operation of x of t plus 2. So it is the advanced operation. One type of prediction system required with respect to system. At that time, this advanced operation that can be used very carefully. Ideally, it is not possible. Ideally possible only delay operation in the system. But if you want to analyze the future parameter, at that time it might be useful. So it is known as advanced operation. Shift the entire signal with respect to right side. Sorry, left side. Shift the entire signal with respect to left side. So it is known as advanced operation. Now we can switch over the basic example. We can calculate the basic example based on the signal. First of all, understand the mirror operation. Mirror operation. See, this is the entire topic that can be completed. Signal delay, signal advance, shifting process is over. Now, second process, which is known as folding. Folding process, it is denoted by x of minus t, and this concept is used in the area of image processing, and this concept is used in the area of image processing. Image processing means what? If you want to flip the image, see this. I have live demonstration with the help of live demonstration. I have explained this. I have explained this figure. See this rotation. See this rotation. See this very carefully. So this is the complete explanation. See, this is the crop. Basically, it is the image, but it can be represented with the help of pixel, and pixel that can be represented in terms of signal. That's why it is known as signal system operation. First of all, this shifting, scaling, and folding type of operation we have studied here. So here we can see that see, this is the operation already performed. Shift the one unit. See this one unit left. So start with 0 to 4. It is the shift right and shift left. Now second operation, mirror operation, means what? It is used in the area of image processing, in which if we want to rotate any particular image, I have explained with live demonstration here, so that at that time folding operation can be used. It can be denoted by x of minus t. Now see this x of minus t. See, this is the x of t. Then only shift the signal. I have explained with the help of whiteboard. See, this type of signal. Here we can write minus 2. If here we can write 0, here we can write 3, here we can write 4. So here it is denoted as x of t. Now x of minus t. X of minus t means what? Shift the signal. So 0 to 2. See here, up to 2. And here minus 3. Here it is known as minus 4. Laya. So here we can get here x of minus t. So it is known as folding operation. Just shift the signal. See, this is my hand position. Shift this particular way. If signal can be located like that, then shift like that. 180-degree phase shift, nothing else. Don't change the magnitude. Remember that point. Only change the shift. Only shift the signal like that. See this my hand movement. So it is known as shifting operation used in the area of image processing. If you want to rotate image, if you want to flip image, at that time this operation can be used. Now interesting operation can be developed, x of minus t plus 2 and x of minus t minus 2. This is the most important operation and most of the students can do the major mistake in this particular operation. So let us start with this particular operation, x of minus t plus 2. See this. Now what is the process? See this, if x of t is given like that, now we want to perform this particular operation. So this is related with mirror plus shifting. See, plus 2 means advance. Ideally it is advanced. But here, first of all, take the common sign. First of all, minus can be taken as outside. See this. In real time, according to mathematics, શું હોય કે main variable હોય એની sign always positive રહેવી જોઈએ. It is the concept of maths. So here, variable of main variable sign is always remain as a positive. So here consider as a, here we can consider as a x of bracket minus bracket t minus 2. See, this is the final expression. So first of all, apply the mirror operation and then we can apply the delay operation. First of all, we can apply the mirror operation, then we can perform the delay operation. So here we can say that, see, first we can apply mirror operation. First we can apply mirror operation, then we can apply delay operation. First we can apply mirror operation, then we can apply delay operation. So it is considered like, it is considered that way to follow this step to solve this example. To solve x of minus t plus 2, at that time first applied the mirror operation, means this operation is complete. For finding x of minus t plus 2, then applied the unit of 2 unit delay. Then applied the 2 unit delay operation. See, so this is the correct way to perform the operation of x of minus t plus 2. Don't use the other method. Just concentrate on this particular method. So why? Because this is the correct method to solve the example. Now see, this is the x of minus t means what? Shift the signal. So here we can say minus 4. Here we can say minus 3. So now 2 unit delay that can be applied to entire signal. So it can be start with minus 2. Here we can say it can be considered as a 2. Sorry, it can be considered as a 0. Here it can be considered as a 2. And here it can be considered as a 4. So it is considered as an operation x of minus t plus 2. X of minus t plus 2. Start with at that particular way. So x of minus t plus 2. X of minus t plus 2. So we can get that operation. So we can get that operation x of minus t plus 2. This is the answer. See, this is the answer. This is the answer, x of minus t plus 2. Clear this? This is the correct explanation regarding the particular example. Must be concentrate. First, take the minus sign outside. Common rule is that first take a minus sign outside, then apply the original signal operation. Original signal operation means what? If here we can say x of minus t minus 2, then see this, first taken minus sign as a common. First taken minus sign as a common, and then first applied mirror, then applied advance. See this is the difference between these two. X of minus t plus 2, x of minus t minus 2. So this is the correct explanation related to that particular topic. So this is the mirror plus shifting. This is the combination of both operations. So please try to differentiate these two. This is the very important. I have marked with circle. This is the very important with respect to MCQ. So please try to understand this very carefully. Mirror and delay, mirror and advance. First of all, take minus sign as a common. Remember that point. This is the correct explanation related to mirror operation. First of all, mirror the image, then can rotate. How it can be considered as a real-time application, real-time image processing application. Suppose any particular image, see this, I have explained with the example, so you have to able to understand. See, this is the particular image. See, this is the particular image. If we want to shift this image, if you want to shift this image with respect to mirror operation, so first for this particular image, mirror operation તમારે apply કરવું પડે. આ એક image છે એવું સમજો તમે, assume કરો અથવા example આપીને સમજાવું છું કે આને real time application સાથે કઈ રીતે connect થાય. How it can be connected with real time application? Consider this is the image. And if you can rotate the image and then shift the image, it is the correct way. It is the correct way. That's why this is known as the first applied the mirror operation, then applied the delay operation. So it is the correct way. Remember that point. It is the combination of shifting plus mirror operation. Mirror means 180-degree phase shift. This is my hand. Shift like that. If here x of t, then x of minus t is like that. Here x of t, then x of minus t is like that. Just shift the signal from second quadrant to first quadrant, or a signal present in first quadrant then converted into second quadrant. So it is known as mirror operation. It is known as mirror operation. Now in this lecture we have understand the basic concept of signal operation and try to understand one or two examples. In my next lecture we have solved more example on it. Also discuss real-time application of the image processing. So thank you very much.